Alright guys, I am all the way far away from my home. I walked all the way over here. I got some 99% alcohol mixed with a little bit of water. I'm just gonna spray all around it. Bam! I'm not taking any chances. No chances around here. It's even gonna start raining. Alright, so I'm gonna feel, just because I'm using the camera. Come on, where is it at? Sprayed a little bit more right here. I don't know guys, I had a dream that I was doing this, so. Okay, there it is. Spray it some more. Alright, now here comes the good stuff. This is the one that we need to be worried about. Still spraying it. Alright. There it is. No coronavirus around here. Spraying every little bit of it. I don't need both my hands for this anymore. Spray, 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 spray. Killing all the virus. For YouTube.
Oh yes, 911 please. 911. We got here coronavirus. Sudden lesson in a package. So it explode.
So,
Hey guys.
You already know my suegro.
Hey Ben.
He's gonna help me out. He saw that I was struggling, so he's gonna go ahead and hold the camera for me.
We're gonna see if we get coronavirus. If not, let it happen. Right guys?
Yes.
Enjoy your life while you can.
Beauty, look. You see, you gotta enjoy life.
Yeah.
That's one thing we always talk about. So, you just spray that. Now that I have my suegro's help, I can use two hands. I can smell it. The coronavirus is coming out. No, I'm just playing.
Do not pass that on me.
Okay,
We still need to do more videos.
Okay. Okay guys, this is it. Get closer. Get the camera. Now I told you guys in the beginning, I might be exaggerating, but I do have kids, family. You can't ever be too safe. Here we go guys. You seeing it? Coronavirus. This is 99% alcohol with a little bit of water. I'm just killing whatever virus it could have. I don't think it has it guys, but I wanted to do a video, something exaggerated, you know? I pray for the people in China, I pray for the people in Italy, and I pray for the whole world every morning. Just be sure you're taking care of your kids, your family, you have food, and be careful from all the bad people out there that might want to break into your house. Be careful when you go out to the stores. Don't carry your fancy bags or anything like that, because people are gonna be crazy right now. I got a concealed carry so you guys can see right here. You know, you gotta always protect your family wherever you go. And let me show you my suegro too. We're all ready, because you know what? Every day we have to be ready, man. You just don't know what could happen. You know what I'm saying? So let's continue the exaggeration video. Come on. We got a bunch of screens here. We got a bunch of, you know, important things. So I'm just spraying them, kill the virus. I should be wearing gloves, but I got alcohol, so I'm gonna spray my hands, spray my face, spray my suegro. I'll spray you guys too.
Yeah, there you go.
Corona. Bye. And that's how you open a box that comes from China. Or a box that comes from anywhere. It could come from the United States. We have coronavirus here too now. So if you're opening a new box, doesn't matter where it came from, these are the steps on how to do it to protect your family. I'll see you guys later. Okay guys, so the rain is actually falling down already, so we're gonna end this video. Please like and subscribe. If you guys thought this video was funny, if you thought it was good, if you thought it was exaggerated, I want to know in the comments. Let me know what you think. Let me know how it's going in your city regarding the coronavirus. Let me know how it's going in your country, you know. If you have any questions on how to open your own cell phone repair shop, go to 911gadgets.com/cell phone repair training. If you want to buy the laser machine, if you want to buy parts, or if you just want to say hello, reach me at Instagram, 911gadgets, or area code 951-399-7911. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. Yes.
Al ataque. See you later.